Hello guys. I think I'm trying again and I'm about to do this YouTube thing. Yeah. I think that's how I'm gonna look the rest of this video. I have a pimple patch on my nose. It's not actually nasty today. Why do I have a freaking pimple on my nose? How convenient. Actually, don't look. I'm gonna do like a really simple look. I start off with like any primer. Just have a base. A base is important. Truly don't want to do too much. So I'm gonna start with this e.l.f. Concealer. And then I take a damp beauty sponge to blend it. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 5:56 p.m.
Thank you. Who else talks to Siri? Is it just me? Am I okay? Honestly. Sometimes you have to ask yourself, are you okay? Like, we're talking to a robot, but like actually blame the people who invented it because they have us out here talking to robots instead of actually communicating with people. Anyways, that was super random, but I like Siri. I like, you know, this generative AI shit. It's kind of helpful. And like to cover up my blemishes or like my dark spots, I use like a concealer that's the same tone as the rest of my face, basically. And it's like this creamy one by RMS Beauty. Random, got it from Sephora, but it does justice. Sometimes I decide to, you know, fill in my eyebrows. Sometimes I don't. I think today I'll fill it in just a little bit, just to show you guys what I do. I have this old, literally, what is this brand? What was that brand? It's like Wet Seal, not even Wet something. This old ass eyebrow palette. I just follow the shape of my eyebrow because I have pretty filled in brows to begin with. Cool. After that, I usually use an eyebrow gel. Literally by e.l.f. This has been the truth for so many years. I swear by this eyebrow gel. It's cheap, but it's like, it does what it needs to do. Like, just period. Eyebrows sweating where? Eyebrows shifting where? And then I like to do a nice little blush. Another product by e.l.f. I don't know, I just literally just can't seem to run away from e.l.f. I like a little blush, so I kind of am a little generous on the blush, but just blend it out. This is like a really natural pink, but I like to layer my blush, so that's just the first layer. Then I go in with another blush. I want to bring a different brand, but this is e.l.f. too. It's literally so good. And I use these two pinks, shades of pink. I just dust it up, same spots. She cute, she pinky. And I just use my sponge again just to tap everything in. Then I go in with my setting powder, Laura Mercier. Been a true fan of this product since like 2018, like since this was like super popular. I've been on it. And then I use this little powder puff, just dip it in. Period. A little bake. Then I like to go on with this Fenty Beauty like contour stick. That was a little too much. A little bit on the nose. My forehead. Yeah. Then I love this other side of the Refi brush because they have this super dense side which I like to use for my contour. Yes. Can I get a yes? Blend it in a little bit more with your sponge just to give it that more like natural look. Take some extra powder and just apply it on the bridge of your nose. Sometimes I like to do eyeliner. Even the smallest wing can like change your eye shape. Why did I just fuck up? But it's okay. Period. Because did I eat or did I clean up? I didn't eat. I literally cleaned it up. And then of course, mascara. So I use this. Any mascara does its thing. Like, let's be real. But I use this one from like Sephora, I think, just a random one. I then like to take off all the powder. My phone is literally doing the most in this video. Like, my phone is literally crickets. But yeah, I don't know why today wants to be like, they want to show out for YouTube. It's giving She Can Fly. Almost. Let's put you guys down. It's not that serious. And I kind of want to do like a darker eye. I'm up to something. I'm gonna use this same eyebrow palette for my eyes, so I think it's dry. Lately, I've been liking to use like glitter in like the center of my eyes. It just adds a little sparkle. I don't even know where I got this palette from, guys, but okay, I literally need to get dressed, but yeah, this is the look. You know, do your little whoop whoop setting spray. I like to use this one by Morphe. It's pretty fire. That feeling is like the best feeling after you do your makeup. You just feel like you feel like you just got your makeup done and they said, voila, you are done, baby. And that's just how I feel. Like, I ate. That's the final look. Simple is more, and like little is more. Little is more. Little is more. Makes lots of sense. Freaking reset. Okay, we can go. I'm almost done. I'm done. You know you're a girl when the first thing you do when you get to your car is literally like throw half of your shit like everywhere. Gosh. Send help. Wait. Nothing. Do I need help? Do I need help?
No.
Well, this is my mom, everyone. She is
Wait.
the one who
Yeah,
birthed
thanks.
this baddie, of course. Oh my god, are you okay? I have a band-aid.
It's okay.
I actually have a lot of band-aids, and here's a wipe. See, look. I come prepared. She needed to wipe off her blood. These are antibacterial hand wipes from somewhere so expensive. That's where I bought. And then if you need a band-aid,
It's okay. It's okay,
See?
Ashley.
band-aid. Yeah, please do not litter. Want gum? Cause you're just a girl, just like me. Whew. So we're headed to the beach, guys. Outfit of the day: shirt from my mom's closet, literally. Swimsuit from like Shein. And this is my mom. Tell me where your outfit's from. Where's your shirt from?
From Macy.
Macy's, yes. Sunglasses from, I think, was it Macy's?
I don't remember.
We don't remember, but it's still cute. And the hat, can't forget the hat.
Match with my blouse.
Both polka dots.
Polka dot.
Period. I've reached it to the beach, everyone. My madre. If there's one thing she's gonna do is grab a flower.
For your hair, Ashley.
Period. Thank you for looking out for me. Gotta love it here. So right now we're looking for a location to take pictures at. And the beach was too crowded, so we're moving somewhere else. Wow. Such a beautiful view. Me or the water? I think both. Maybe the reality is people are not talking about me all the time. Do you think that's true? Or is it all about me?
It's all about you.
And I just want to get rich and like fulfill my dreams.